Hello and welcome. I'm Mai Davis and I've been asked to host this webinar to talk to you about a new product that's going to be launched on Monday. It is, of course, the SmoothSkin Extra, the IPL hair removal device. Now, some of you, I'm sure, are already familiar with the SmoothSkin brand. It was the first home-use IPL device in the UK using salon technology, launched exclusively through Boots in 2009. Now, it was created by a company called iPulse, and we're in the iPulse HQ today to talk to you. Several other companies have come to market since then, but over the last 4 years, iPulse have been doing continuous research into the future of IPL technology. So I've got a panel of experts here today to answer any of your questions, and I'm sure you've got plenty of them, so I'll introduce you to the guests we've got. On my right is Professor Mark Clement. He's the father, or should I say the godfather, of light therapy. He is the Chief Executive of the Institute of Life Sciences at Swansea University. He specialised in light therapy for, is it 30 years now? It's quite a while. Couldn't possibly say 30 years, and he founded the iPulse brand. On my left is Anita Clarkson, who's a clinical beauty therapist. She's also a professional trainer for the iPulse brand. You've been doing that for about 7 years,
yes,
haven't you? But you've got over 30 years experience in the beauty business. Anita ran her own salons. And to my far right is Mark Bolt, who's the business development manager for iPulse, and he brought the first products to market with Boots. So Anita, if you show us the kind of practical application and how it works.
Okay, thank you. The device, obviously when you are using the device, before you start, you will read the manual, which is supplied with the iPulse SmoothSkin, and check everything that you need to do so to make sure suitability. You will have also patch tested, which is absolutely necessary before you commence the treatment, and then you're ready to go. 48 hours you will leave before you actually start the treatment, and then you're ready to go. Make sure the device is plugged in, that gives you a nice stable output, and on a flat surface, which again makes the whole treatment more comfortable. Prepare the skin, make sure that you've removed surface hair by just using a simple razor.
So you shave
the skin
first,
because you need the hair coming through the skin.
You need it growing.
You do. You
okay.
The light will pick up the melanin, the pigment in the hair, and it will conduct it to the root. So that's what we're looking for.
Right.
Okay. So the device itself is very simple, and the exciting part about this, of course, is the intelligent skin tone sensor,
which is what Clement was talking about. You can pick up the colour of your skin.
Absolutely.
And so that's that bit.
This is the device. Okay. It sits into the dock, the cradle, and before you do each treatment, you would check that area to make sure that the skin actually is going to talk.
So when you check the area,
yes.
Not just. So if you say, for instance, you're doing this arm, you wouldn't check it on your leg.
Well, no,
you would check it on the piece you're about to do.
Yes.
Okay.
If I could just show you on your arm, because this is quite important as well, because areas on the body change colour, as you know. So if I was to do that, it would show as tone 1.
Yeah.
If I turn your arm over,
which is covered in freckles,
it goes up to 3. So it's identifying the extra pigment in the outer side of the arm. And of course, as you quite rightly said, bikini lines, underarms will always be different, as indeed the face. So we need to check directly on the area that you're going to treat.
But that was very simple to do.
It's so simple.
So you just press
All
the button.
you do is you place it on the skin, press the button, hold it down, and it will tell you.
And the reader comes out here.
It's done for you.
Yeah.
You pop it back into the dock, the cradle, and it calibrates the device for you.
So it's now reading.
It's now reading that the best energy setting for my inside arm, not that I'm hairy on the inside arm, is in fact 3.
Okay.
So it's all ready to go. As I said, you would have actually prepared the skin beforehand. And just to demonstrate, if I may, not that I have got any here, I'd like to reassure you, we use an activator gel that's specially prepared for use with iPulse SmoothSkin, and this is available, obviously. It comes with the pack, of course, and you only need a small amount, but you do need enough to act as a conductor.
Right.
So you place some on the skin, like so,
So the
Obviously,
gel is so that it conducts the energy from the machine through to the
it
hair?
does. The gel has three purposes. It's a great optical coupler, which means it is conductive. Secondly, it cools the skin.
Right.
So it's making the skin nice and cool before treatment. And thirdly, it allows you to see where you've been. So
Yes.
it's a
Yes.
great opportunity for the practitioner, or not the practitioner, the user,
Yes.
because this is home care, which
Yes.
is brilliant, to actually use the device safely. You apply the handset onto the skin,
Directly onto the skin?
onto the skin, and you will see that the light comes up
Yes.
telling me that the actual connection is made, and I just flash like so.
Did that hurt?
Not at all.
Okay.
Slight warmth, but nothing
Do you want
really.
to try it on me?
Yes, of course. I can just easily just wipe the surface.
Because you're used to it.
I'm
and
so
I'm
used
not,
to
so
it.
I want,
No,
I
that's
want to see what it
absolutely
feels
fine.
like.
It just do remember that when you're actually using it on an area that's got hair,
Yes.
you may feel a slight ping,
Okay.
but we're going to do it on an area that doesn't have hair just at the moment for demonstration purposes. So first of all, before we do anything, we double check. So I'm going to pop that on there, and that's telling me
It's
one.
one.
So that goes back in there, ready to. And we just apply a little bit of gel. You can do this. You can. The great thing about this, you do it in the comfort of your own home.
Yep.
So it's very easy
Okay.
to apply. And then all we do is, do you want to have a go yourself?
Yes, why not? So
Why
what do?
not?
I hold
All
it?
you do is hold it,
Okay.
apply it onto the skin.
The light hasn't come on yet.
No, not yet, because it's not in. That's a safety feature.
So
There we
now the
are.
light is on.
Yes.
I press the light.
Press and then just lift away.
Doesn't feel anything.
No,
Okay.
that's what we expected. So it's as simple as that.
Okay.
And then all you do is work
Do I have a
around,
tissue?
of course,
Thank you.
work around the treatment area
Right.
till it's completed,
Yep.
and then wait 1 week
Okay.
for the next treatment. And within 6 to 12 weeks, you've
Yes.
actually got the result you're looking for.
In 12
So it's brilliant.
weeks?
Yes,
Okay.
absolutely that quick.
All right. And you find that people like this type of device to use at home? It doesn't, it's
I
very
think
easy
it's-
to use.
Absolutely. I think it's become very popular because people are very time precious.
Okay.
They don't have to book an appointment. They don't have the cost of going to a salon or clinic. And it's a perfect device to give you a very quick result, because if you go to a clinic, you have that waiting period in between treatments.
Okay.
Whereas this can be carried out within the 12 weeks because it's once a week.
Okay. That's great.